What if we weren't watched when we walked? What if we weren't followed when we drove? What if we weren't feared just for being black? What if peace wasn't a prayer, but a promise already delivered? What if black skin didn't mean heightened alert? Didn't mean rehearsing survival scripts at 10 years old or even younger? Didn't mean another name trending on hashtags, another candlelight vigil, another video of us not making it home? What if we had peace? Not just silence, but safety? Imagine a world where the sirens didn't signal death, where we weren't questioned for our joy, profiled for our success, or punished for simply existing. Imagine walking into a boardroom, a classroom, a voting booth, and never once wondering if your blackness would be a barrier. What if our peace wasn't interrupted by red lights, blue uniforms, or systemic maybe next times? What if we lived in neighborhoods where schools thrived? Not because we escaped the hood, but because the hood was never abandoned. What if there was no good side of town, because every side was ours and worthy? No more trauma as inheritance, no more grief as generational currency. What if healing was the soundtrack of our lives? What if joy wasn't resistance, but just the norm? What if black parents didn't carry fear like armor? What if peace meant rest, not just survival? They say America is the land of the free. But what if it finally became the land of peace and freedom for us too? This is Unshakable Roots, where we imagine boldly, remember deeply, and ask the questions freedom still fears. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.